The most stylish garment this summer, it's the linen suit. Most men think linen suits are either too wrinkled to look sharp or too casual for business. I will show you why that's completely wrong and how to look absolutely fantastic in a linen suit and linen jacket. A well-styled linen suit is actually your secret weapon for looking effortlessly elegant when everyone else is neglecting it. Today I'm showing you 4 foolproof ways to style a linen suit that will make you the best dressed man at any summer occasion. Let's start with the most versatile look. First up, the most formal way to wear linen that completely destroys the myth that linen can't be formal. This is an off-white wool linen suit, double-breasted, paired with a light blue dress shirt and a navy geometric tie. Look at this. The classic 6 buttons in 2 rows configuration. Peak lapels, structured shoulders. This is serious formal elegance. The double-breasted silhouette creates immediate presence and makes you feel so sharp. The off-white color might seem bold, but it's actually incredibly sophisticated, especially in summer when everyone else is sweating in dark wool or synthetic fabrics. The light blue shirt adds just enough color contrast without being loud, while the navy pattern tie grounds the entire look. Notice the pocket square, subtle colors that guide the eye towards the shirt and the tie. This outfit works for important meetings, formal events, or any time you want to look professional while staying completely comfortable. Here's a pro tip. A wool-linen blend actually doesn't crease as much and holds its structure better than pure linen suits. You get the linen texture, feeling and breathability without losing sharpness. Next, this might be the most unexpected combination, but it's absolutely brilliant. Here I have a brown textured wool linen suit, double-breasted, but I've paired it with white jeans instead of the matching trousers. Add the white dress shirt and the same navy pattern tie and you've created something that makes you look absolutely stylish in summer. This is what I call confident sartorial dressing. The brown linen has this beautiful texture that allows the jacket to be worn separately, while the white jeans create this striking tonal harmony that's both relaxed and refined. The double-breasted silhouette keeps it sophisticated despite the casual jeans. It's a killer combo. The navy tie bridges everything together. It works with both the brown suit and white jeans perfectly. This combination shows you understand style beyond basic rules. When would you wear this? Business, casual, sophisticated weekend events, daytime events, anywhere you want to show real style confidence. This outfit says you're not following trends. You really understand menswear fundamentally. The beauty of this look, you can also wear it without a tie for a more relaxed approach. For our third look, this is how you wear linen when you want to be relaxed but still incredibly polished. I'm using just the off-white linen jacket, single-breasted with casual stitching details, paired with dark jeans and a blue linen shirt. No tie needed. This demonstrates the true versatility of linen pieces. The same jacket that could work in a formal suit becomes the perfect casual elegant piece when styled as separates. The blue linen shirt adds beautiful texture contrast against the white jacket, while the navy jeans ground everything perfectly. This outfit solves one of the biggest style challenges, looking appropriately dressed for casual settings without being underdressed. Think weekend dinners, casual dates, or any time you want to look effortlessly put together. The beauty here is the comfort factor. You get all the style benefits of tailoring with the ease of casual wear. The best part about linen suits? The jacket and trousers can be worn separately. They are the ultimate, unbeatable versatile garment for summer. Finally, this might be my favorite way to wear linen because it proves the fabric works beyond just summer casual wear. I'm wearing the off-white linen jacket with charcoal wool gabardine trousers, a crisp white shirt and a light blue silk tie. This is sophisticated fabric mixing at its best. The lightweight linen jacket provides comfort and texture, while the wool trousers add weight and formality. The white shirt provides clean contrast against both fabrics, while the light blue tie elevates the look. Notice the pocket square. It adds just enough personality without overwhelming the sophisticated base. This combination works for smart casual business settings, evening dinners, or any time you want to look polished but not overly formal. It's that sweet spot between a full suit and business casual that's so hard to achieve. What I love about this look is how it challenges the idea that linen is only for beach vacations. This is metropolitan sophistication with comfort built in. So who said linen suits are not polished and not suitable for most occasions? They are incredibly versatile and work from casual to formal situations. So which linen piece should you invest in first? My recommendation? Start with an off-white linen suit. As you've seen today, it's incredibly versatile, works both formally and casually, and the neutral color pairs with everything. If you want to experiment with a sports jacket first, go for the single-breasted jacket. You'll find yourself looking forward to summer events and outings. So, are you ready to add linen to your summer wardrobe? Which of these 5 approaches resonated most with you? Let me know in the comments. And if this changed your perspective on linen suiting, hit that like button and subscribe for more summer style solutions.